What's up, guys? Dude, you won't believe this. My Lego City pizza truck just fell out on the computer. Look, see, I'm building it. Look, I'm building it. I can't say it now. I'm gonna build it back together because I really hate that. Also, I'm reacting to Lance's videos. This is my favorite thing. And see, look, see, you can see all of all of our new my dad's house and my mom and dad's house. But my mom and dad are broke up. That really sucks. And here you can see the dark bathroom. Sorry guys, I can't say it right. And here's all. And look, can you see that? Can you? That's the brok. And here you can see my favorite drone. I never get to. And my basketball. I think my dad's gonna put this basketball up. He said when it's warm though, and I gotta cry. I gotta drink a beer. So I asked my dad. I could have a one can of root beer, dudes. So please give this video a dang thumbs up. Write a comment down below if you like this video or not. So please do it. Bye, Yowie. Bye.